other ways of solving 48 times 4. So traditionally, we solve this. 48 times 4 is 8 times 4 is 32. We carry 3, then 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3, 192. So in this method, we write 48 times 4, and then we break down 48, which is into 40 and 8. And then after, ito i-distribute ang 4 times 4 and then times 4. So kinisda din niya itong gagamit ang property nga gitawag of distributive property of multiplication or over addition. Meaning, yan diba? Quantity A plus B times C. So i-distribute na ito ang C. So we have A times C plus B times C. So, ito na rin ito sa ng solusyon. 48 times 4, we have 192. Now, using PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So, naman tayo parentheses, atong solve ni first, both parentheses. So, 40 times 4, get 160. And then, 8 times 4, 32. Then, solving further, 192. Then, add 160 plus 32, we get 192. So, for our next example, we have here 37 times 5. Traditionally, we solve this. 7 times 5, we have 35. Carry 3. Then, 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, we have 185. Now, again, ito isuwat itong equation. 37 times 5 equals ato na po silang i-break down ang 37 into 30 and 7 and then distribute 5 times 5. So we have 185 equals 30 times 5 it equals 150, and then plus 7 times 5 equals 35. So 185 is equal to 185. So nga nung gingani ni sida aron masabtan na to og unsaon jud ni sida other way nga. By doing this only, ato ra jang dali ma-solve. Example, atong iturong suwa 37 times 5. Nani ra ni sida 30. We know the 37 again is 30 and 7. So 30 times 5, we have 150 plus 5 times 7 equals 35. So we get 185. Ato po itong solve again ang 48 this way. 48 times 4. So 40, since 48 is 40 and 8, so 40 times 4 is 160. Then 40 plus times 8 is 32. So we get 192. Question, pwede ba og instead of ang 48 atong himong 40, pwede ba 48 himuon na itong 50? Or ang 37 instead of 30, pwede ba na ito himuon 40? At ang iugma. Bye.